Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a page not available. Your IT administrator has limited access to some area of this app while opening the virus and threat protection. Let's fix it guys. You just need to uninstall these antivirus software guys. Avast, AVG, McAfee and Northern and Kaspersky. To uninstall this, go to search menu, type control panel, click on open it. Select uninstall a program. If you find one of these third-party antivirus, right-click and select uninstall. After uninstalling it, check if the problem is solved or not. If not, method 1, you just need to go to search menu and type registry return. Click on open it and select yes. And check my video description for this registry path guys. Just copy and paste it and press enter. On right side, if you see real disable anti-spyware and disable real-time monitoring, just to select both and right click and select delete option and yes. And now you just need to select the policy manager. If you see anything named as allow user UI access and allow exploit protection or right, just right click and select delete option for both. Select yes. And now you can just close it off here and restart your PC. After restarting, go to search menu and type virus and threat protection. Go and open it. In my case, the issue has been fixed, guys. As you can see, virus and threat protection page has been opened up without having any problem. And the method two, if you still doesn't fixed, then go to search menu and type Windows PowerShell. I click on the Windows PowerShell and select Run as Administrator and select yes. And check my video description for this command. Just to copy the command and paste it and press enter. Just need to wait for a few seconds. This will reset the Windows security and fixes UI access problems. Just close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting, your problem should be fixed, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.